This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, December 4th, 2013. Now, our first look at the 0ZGFS model run. At noon today, we have a trough. It's digging in across the west. This is going to bring down very, very cold air. It's going to bring a lot of snow into the Rockies and into the plains, and maybe even into the northwestern counties of the state. It was already starting to snow last evening in that area, and it'll continue through the day. Most of the heaviest snow will be over the Colorado Rockies and up into Minnesota and Wisconsin. But when we take a look at the probabilities of it seeing some snow, this is from yesterday evening through this evening of seeing 1 inch of snow. Good probabilities north of the line from Sioux City to Algona to about Austin, Minnesota. And then if seeing 2 inches of snow or more, it looks to be the best chances to be over about the Siouxland, the northern Siouxland, up into Sioux Falls and up into Minnesota and eastern South Dakota, of seeing at least 2 inches or more. And then when we come to 4 inches of snow or more, the likely locations would likely be Lyon and Osceola counties, which are under the winter weather advisories, and that also goes up into eastern South Dakota and southwestern western Minnesota. Going back to the GFS on Thursday, that system is gone, but the cold air comes, and it's not going to go away anytime soon. Highs on Thursday will likely just struggle through the teens to near 20, lows at or below 0, or at least in the single digits either side of 0. That's the case Friday morning. Still cold, highs teens, maybe near 20, single digits in the northwestern counties. Few clouds in the southeast with this wave that'll move to our east and south of us. And then that begins to move farther to the south here on Saturday, but you can see some moisture beginning to develop off to our south and west. That'll be moving in here on Sunday, and this is going to bring us our next chance of snow, and this could be statewide, with some rain across the southeast up into Ohio Valley, and some of that could be in the form of some wintry precipitation. And then Sunday night into early on Monday, we'll get some snow. By Monday midday, it's gone up into the Great Lakes, and guess what happens? The cold air comes back. Temperatures will drop back into the teens for highs, maybe single digits, lows below 0. That'll be the case again on Tuesday. We could see highs barely struggling to get to 10. Lows will be below 0 most everywhere in the state. Some lake effect snow in the Great Lakes, maybe some rain in Florida. And then a week from today, next Wednesday, it still just looks just plain cold. We have some energy moving through Texas, across the northern tier of the country, another storm moving into the Pacific Northwest, and with this cold pattern around, there's going to be a lot of snow, especially in the Great Lakes with some lake effect and a bit of a weak disturbance, some rain in Florida and South Texas, and another storm slamming into the Pacific Northwest with some rain and mountain snow there. Going into the extended period, December the 17th, a flat ridge is now overhead, and that may bring us a little bit warmer weather. Trough and some energy moving off the northeast coast, another system moving into the northwest, and that could bring some rain and mountain snow to them. But around here, we'll have southerly winds and temperatures maybe above freezing at this point. That'll be a change of scenery for a while. But unfortunately, it's December. It don't last long. Here's December 19th, and guess what happens? We have a trough coming back. Trough and a fairly deep surface, or trough over the south and west, and that could bring some rain and mountain snow to places like Southern California into Arizona. Another snowstorm and possibly a little bit of rain moving through our neck of the woods, and another cold batch of air coming in behind that. Satellite image from last evening, you can see the storm taking shape off to our west, the Dakotas, down into Colorado, and also in Wyoming. Rain, well, mainly snow, some of it quite significant there, and some clouds extending back into the southwest. Watch warning map, it's very active. Winter storm warnings from Nevada, Utah, Colorado, up into the Dakotas, Minnesota. Fog advisories around here. Winter storm watch in Texas and Oklahoma, along with Missouri and in the Ohio Valley, and that's where there's going to be a lot of precipitation. This is the QPF chart through Sunday evening at 6 o'clock, showing very little around here. Better chances of seeing some heavy snow to our west and north, and heaviest rain across the Mid-South into the Tennessee Valley.